Okay, so surprise? No surprise?
The state turned a difficult case for the state. They turned it into a tough case for the defense. Jim Andrews did a great job. I think going in, we knew we had a strong shot for an acquittal, but you never know until you go to trial how the evidence is going to come in. In this particular case, obviously there's huge relief, but there's really no joy because there's still the tragedy of Cassidy Charette that is in the background of this case. And so there's relief, but I think speaking for my client as well, there's no real joy.
So what factors do you think weighed most heavily in the jury's decision, if you could guess?
It's always hard to say. Well, I should ask them. they would know. I'd like to think it was the fact that my client came across as someone who was interested in the gauntlet, that he had a passion for the event. He cared about the passengers. He cared about the farm. He was doing it out of the goodness of his heart, and the thought of hurting anyone was the farthest thing from his mind. I think ultimately it was that common sense conclusion that why would a man throw care to the winds in a situation like this when he had friends, family, and colleagues, children potentially, in the wagons behind him. Plus the physics helped, you know. The brake fade argument kind of fell flat. The weight of the Jeep is being disproportionately light. That argument fell flat because we had the experts come in and testify that it was appropriate, you know. So.